Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here, okay, another affordable, okay, entry-level smartwatch. Okay, what we have here is the Watch Ultra clone version of the Y68 D20 smartwatch. Remember this one? Okay, very popular, okay, cheap, okay, D20 Y68 smartwatch. We have here an upgrade. It's a copycat of the DT or the Watch Ultra clone smartwatch. Okay, so we are going to check this very affordable smartwatch, just less than, I think, $5 with the Y68 Ultra smartwatch, also sold as D20 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, as you can see here, it comes in a very simple packaging. Okay, no details here, just a few functions. Okay, so we do have a heart rate, a blood pressure, step monitoring. We do have incoming call notifications, WeChat, QQ, Twitter, okay, social apps here, Facebook. It has an alarm clock, photo control, sedentary reminder, and mileage. That is for the automatic activity tracking. Okay, nothing else. Chip box here. Okay, so let's open here. And as expected, it is similar to the Y68. Okay, no charging cable. Let me check. The same. Okay, user manual here. Okay, and we have the strap, and of course the direct USB charging. Okay, and it has a somewhat like a copycat, but it's not functional. Okay, as you can see, no matter how you press it, it's not working. So we have a crown button here, a pill shaped button. Okay, we have the speaker, the mic. We have another button here, but it's not working. It has a PC material body. Okay, so it's also available in silver, black, and rose gold color. Flat, okay, color. So let's plug it here. Let's put the strap. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, so simple entry-level smartwatch, just less than $5 US. Okay, let's focus on this wearable. Okay, again, it is a ultra watch version of the popular Y68 smartwatch. Okay, so nothing impressive about this one, but if you don't want to spend too much on a smartwatch and just want to give it to a kid or a teen, okay, so I guess this one will do. Okay, I don't know if we can turn this on. I guess to turn this on, you have to charge it first. Okay, so let's charge it first. Okay, before we check on the menus, let's check first the weight of the wearable with the strap and without strap. Okay, so we have here a weighing scale. So the weight here is in grams. So let's check. So we have without the strap. Okay, first let's check. Okay, without the strap, it weighs around just 15.28. So yeah, you can round it off in 16, 15 or 16. With the strap, it's around 26. Okay, or 27. Okay, very lightweight wearable. It's really suited for kids or for teens who wants a strap without spending too much, or who wants a smartwatch without spending too much for a wearable. Okay, so let's check the offered features of the smartwatch. Okay, again, to turn the smartwatch on, you have to charge it first, and we have it here now, as you can see. Okay, so very wide bezel on top and on the bottom part. Okay, so touch button key, we have a touch button key here on the bottom part. Okay, so let's check. We have here the watch face, no touchscreen support. Okay, tap. We have here the automatic activity tracking. We have here the health monitoring function. This includes the heart rate, the blood pressure, and the blood oxygen, as you can see here. Okay, stop it. Okay, we have the sports, long press. So we have the running, skipping rope, sit up, and that's it. So the same menu, the same offered sports function with the Y68, just different icons here on menu. We have the message notification. Okay, we have the music control and more. Let's check here. So we have the sleep function or sleep monitoring. We do have the weather, camera, anti-lost, reset, a Fit Pro icon here, and power off. Okay, so there's no option, I think, for the watch face. Okay, we have an option for the watch face. Okay, so how many watch face do we have? Let's check. Oh no, we only have 2 watch faces here. Okay, so we have the classic watch ultra watch face, and okay, let's pick another one, and this one. Okay, that changes color. So we have the time, we have the date here, and we have the battery life. Again, the menus are, okay, automatic activity tracking, health monitoring, sports, message, music control. Okay, so this one is the another options here, or another function, another features included. Long press, you have the sleep, weather, camera, anti-lost, reset, and QR code for the support app, and we have power off. Okay, last one, let's check for the heart rate. Okay, long press here on the bottom part, and let's wait. Okay, so one tap measurement for heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. As you can see here, we do have here the result. Okay, so that's it for the Y68 Ultra smartwatch, and also known as the D20 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so again, this is your smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Your Y68 Ultra D20 Ultra smartwatch. Goodbye.